love it. Oh, it's too good. Well, exciting clip for y'all. I'll show you what we got in here once they're unboxed. A little before versus the after. They look really good though, and
put a 12-inch tire in the back. No problem at all.
Yeah. Oh, that's cool. It's the column with the shifter built in. I know there's probably already a clip of this, but I just had to come back out here and say, damn, this thing is looking really, really good. The actual color of the truck was going to be this metallic maroon on the roll pan, but I think the color might switch up to a little bit more of like a lava red. Not too sure yet, but wanted to keep you all in the loop with what we got going on. And like I said, we got the old steering column out right here. New steering column going in right now, working on the dash. So kind of a look at what he's been working on. Well, that's super cool to see. The truck is out of the garage for the first time, moved under its own power. That's what we love to see. It's actually sick. This is a first time seeing the truck move. Wow, that's badass. Legit first move. We're gonna watch that lip get yanked right off. Oh, it looks good. First burnout. That's sick. Wow, it looks good though. Truck's getting its first burnouts. Oh man, it's good to see its first drive. It's got to get used to that. Well, now we're gonna be taking the bed off. My old man's gonna be doing some more to it, but oh, that's sick. The gauges up there are so cool. First time driving it, so that's sick. The hood is on, the fender's on, inner fender, whole nose of the truck is pretty much done right now. Something else I wanted to grab a clip of, he's already doing it. Basically, he's got a cubby going in place of the factory radio, and right down there, it was just a cubby and some vents, and now he's got his new radio going in with a whole speaker setup, amp, and everything. Shocks are going on. I mean, the truck is really coming together. Wow, so it has been a minute since I have given you guys an update. I just filmed these videos kind of just throughout time. So radio is in place there now. It's covered up because he's doing a little work in here. And as you can see, the flooring is out of here. I was going to say carpet, but it's a rubber mat. He's got his amp mounted up back here. You can see the new speakers in. It sounded pretty good. And I don't know if he's changed up the... Yep, these are definitely new up here now as well, which is pretty awesome. So the truck is like relatively clean. It's got its small things. Like I said in the very beginning, it needed some cab corners, which look at that. He's already on it. Cab corners are literally going in right now. That's so awesome. And probably just sealing up if any bubbling. But I mean, underneath this truck, it is like ridiculously clean. So I do know he did get some carpet for this. So probably won't see this vid, but in an upcoming video, he's got some beautiful carpet for this. I'll leave you guys in suspense on what color carpet he got. And the bed is also off. They shipped over the fuel tank and just kind of threw it around in shipping. And this one, brand new tank, has a leak because of it. So, not the end of the world. We ordered another one, and I'll throw in that clip. They ended up sending us a replacement tank because the other tank is all dented up and had a leak from being thrown around. And this one is even worse. It's cracked here, dented here. It doesn't seem like much, but the other tank had way less damage and legitimately leaks. And that can be a dangerous thing. We're going to fill this with water and see if it leaks. And if it does, then we're going to be going with tank number 3. But everything is like really clean. Like all these new parts. I mean, this truck is coming along great. The bed is off it right now, though, because he's going to be cleaning it up. And that is going to go back on here once it's all clean. And it's easier to get to things like the fuel tank and do the cab corners. Both cab corners are done. Let's go. And he's painting up the rear end. And, I mean, everything is just looking great. But pretty much the most of it for our truck update today. This is kind of how she looks, just showing you guys. She has moved under its own power for the first time. And I like making these vids on this truck. Hopefully we'll keep getting some more full-length vids in the future. Plenty of content to come on this thing. But until then, I'll see you guys on our next adventure, whether it's a car meet or car show or whatever it is we do. All right, guys, we just came down to Hayden Graphics. It's Memorial Day, so happy Memorial Day. We are here for the Get Murphed Challenge. But I wanted to show you guys, this is Ronnie's daily driven LS400, or his daily driver, essentially. But real clean. It looks to be like a deep dark green. But, you know, we just love our cars. So, had to grab a clip. Right over here is Ronnie's lowrider Buick Regal. It's like one of my favorite lowriders for obvious reasons. I mean, it's just crazy. It's like one of few hoppers in the area, all striped out. I don't remember. I think, honestly, every time I see the car, the trunk is open. I don't remember seeing the lid all striped out as well. Beautiful gold wire wheels. The engraving, I mean, everything is sick. And then over here is a Cadillac they're working on right now. And beautiful. They're cleaning it up. This paint color is amazing. Nice. Looks just like factory interior still. Just a clean, simple build. But check out, I want these engraved spinners so bad. Those are so cool down there. Just need that. And then over here is Ronnie's Dodge Viper, all revised this year. We got the yellow headlights, full new livery down the sides, very GT style. I believe these wheels are fresh. Look straight billet on some Toyo R888s. Look at, I love, just again, all the design, the attention to details. He did move over to the side pipes, which is so sick. Full look at inside of here though. All the cage is new. I believe the harness is new. Some of the blue interior as well might be. Don't hold me to it. But again, super cool. Wang Yang Street Fighter back here. He's got underglow on it now. I mean, there's a bunch of little things too that we don't even see that was done to it over the winter. So super sick to see his car, and can't wait for car show season to really kick in. I know, it's pretty random for our vlog style vid, but I love this. It's a narrow gauge railroad steam engine. I don't know if I've ever seen a legitimate steam engine like in motion and active, anything. I mean, this thing is just beautiful. Had to grab a clip. It was cool. What up? Yeah, that's nuts. I've never heard it crackle like that. That is sick. Oob Nights with the homies. Shaq's gonna take out Alberto's Civic FK8 Type R, and we're gonna go for a rip in it. What up? A rip. So I love the beach. What was that, 69 Chevelle just cruising by? So sick. Bro, look at the beach. Oob is so sick for like this reason, just cruising the beach. It's pretty dead tonight though. I mean, it's nice out. I don't know why I don't know it's out here. I wonder if it's Mike's. I was like, yo, that's an NSX. It is. Yo. Hey guys, how's it going? Oh, beautiful. Check this out. We got Mike rolling in his Acura NSX. Absolutely gorgeous. I love this car. We just saw him down by the strip. I saw the taillights. I was like, yo, is that an NSX? And it was Mike's. Listen. Twin turbo. Woo. Absolute beauty. We got the EG, the Type R, Lexus truck, Ramey's Alpha, the Fox body, train going by, ruining my clip. We got Sean's GS350, the 50s Ford, my truck, the LS400, and there's some others on the other end of the road. Quick clip of this G35 Coupe. I love this body style. I feel like I don't see them as much anymore. With some aftermarket wheels. I love when they're shaved like this in the rear. Wanted to grab some clips. It sounds really, really good. Sometimes the VQs can get a little out of hand, but I like the tone of this one. This one's really, really clean. Love that rear end, especially the staggered wheels too. Manual? Shit. Bro, this is the most oob clip I've ever caught. Yo, dude, what's its name?
I don't know. It's Mordecai Rico.
Dude, it's totally Mordecai. Dude, let's go. That's why I love oob, bro. This is... What